from the team, congratulations for the awarding. And at first, we will hear the reaction of the CEO of Hunaka, Francis Manlulu. Yes, sir, for the award of Asian Best Brand Excellent Award 2024, your reaction first.
First of all, from the bottom of our heart, we would like to thank Sir Richard Zinola kasi talaga sa sobrang daming gusto tayo. Kami ang napili niya talaga sa Back of the Year.
Ayan.
Ito, nakatanggap lang namin Trending Brand Award sa buong Philippines. Now,
wow!
Outstanding Oral Sunblock Asian Best Excellence Award. Sobrang thankful talaga kami kay Sir Richard Zinola.
Yeah, for the award, can I get the reaction of the other team from the CEO, Sir Francis? Go to the lady first. Yes, ma'am, can you just introduce first yourself? Your name and the position.
Assistant.
Yeah, your reaction for this award because it's a group effort. Thank you, and go to Sir. Your name po?
Marketing Manager ng Yuaco.
Okay, your name, sir?
My name is Joshua Derek Tenorio, the Marketing Manager of the sobrang thankful talaga kami kay Sir Richard. Talaga yung gasolina namin para maglabas pa ng mga innovative na products. Sobrang thank you kay Sir Richard.
And also si Sir, ano pong name niyo, sir?
Yes, I am Edward Arellano Ligado, one of the sales force of Yuaco. And we are so very thankful and blessed dahil Richard, dahil sa binigyan niya award sa amin. And tiwala talaga niya sa amin because of our Yuaco Pinta tayo is almost perfect na talaga siya kasi meron na siyang proper vitamin, triple anti-aging, and oral sunblock.
And also, if I'm not mistaken, your company only for 1 year and the impact for the Philippines. Kaya kayo yung napili for the best.
Yes, knowing na bagong entrance pala kami sa market, and nag-create na kami ng niche, sobrang hirap ng competition. Penetrate kami and establish na rin namin yung branding namin.
Yeah, very tip.
Complete talaga ng product, our whitening, triple anti-aging, oral sunblock, kaya lahat na kailangan mo siyang dito tayo.
In one na. Kayo ba, sir, yung model? Kasi kitang-kita on the CEO, eh.
Fresh pa ba, fresh?
Okay, and again, for the congratulations again.
Salamat po.